Today I'm going to take a look at this rolling cart here. See your components. We got the top, we got the legs, and we have the bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and assemble these in position. This thing is very easy to put together. Pop these all in. Each leg gets 3 of these screws. Goes right down into the base of the top, making it very secure once you get all 3 of those in. Next thing you're going to do is put your base on, which is the lower part. So you're going to put it upside down, obviously. Get it in where it needs to go. We're going to go ahead and attach the wheels on, these big, nice, heavy wheels. And those are going to have 4 screws, 4 bolts, and one of those bolts ties into the leg, making it very, very secure as well. As far as the wheels, they have 4 bolts, and I'm getting ready to do the last one here. This first bolt here also goes through this leg here, making it very stable. So you get your 4 bolts and you set up like that. I got the 2 locking wheels on the side that the handle is going to be on. We'll get this one screwed down and they'll all be in place. We'll be ready to flip it over. Here I put the handle on. You can see it's got 6 spots here for screws. And I like the fact that this doesn't just sit on top. It actually locks down in, making it very strong. So you just get this down in there. Even without the screws, that's pretty solid. But we'll get the screws all in it and this thing won't go anywhere. And also putting the screws in will draw this down the rest of the way. It's a nice tight fit is what you want. All right, we got the handle all secure. The last thing I do is pop on these little clips here for these little V-shape areas. And that way if you're doing anything with like pipe work or something, you can lay it across these 2 spots right here. And that'll help the thing from moving. So if you want to cut something off. All right, so I got this whole thing assembled here. Now this has a capacity of about 550 pounds, 275 in the bottom, 275 up top here. Like I said, it has this spot here, so if you're doing work with a round like pipe or something, if you put it up here and you're trying to cut, it's going to move around. So they do provide this, which makes it really nice, so you can cut and do stuff with pipe work and not have it move around. Definitely a nice solid cart. I got a tire on here to show you kind of the size of the cart itself in real life. Certainly can, if you want to put a tire on there, whatever else. It has all these little compartments up here to throw some tools and stuff in. So with the drill gun, it's big enough to put like a drill in there just to keep it out of the way. Now the instructions that come with this are super easy to follow. It provides a few extra little nuts and bolts to make sure you have plenty to get this thing assembled, so no problems there whatsoever. I like this nice grip handle on it here, rolling it. All the wheels turn and spin in all directions, so you don't have to worry about trying to make it turn around a corner funny. And the 2 back wheels here actually lock, so once you get where you want to go and you want to lock it down, you can do that. And then when you're done, just release that lock and you can move it around. Now these guys are nice enough to send this thing out to me to do a review, and I want to thank them for that. I really appreciate it. This thing's going to come in super handy in the garage here. You can see I've been using that old metal thing with a metal table type thing on it. This is going to be so much better, and with these big wheels I can roll it into out onto my gravel driveway as well and not have much of an issue. So I want to thank these guys for sending it out. I really appreciate it, and I hope this short video helps you out and you can decide whether or not this is right for you. But I give this thing an easy 2 thumbs up.